Good morning, everyone. Welcome to week 10 of term 3. So this is our last week. And because it's our last week, this is called revision. And revision means going back over some of the words we have covered during the term. So your spelling will look like this. And this. Okay? So I've included words that have the different digraphs or graphs in them. It doesn't mean that you will have every single word on your sheet. We're just revising our phonemes and our digraphs or graphs, or even trigraphs, you never know. All right, so we're going to go through the words and we're going to just focus on the digraph, or in this case, the graph. First word, fish. The digraph we concentrated on was sh, fish. Same thing, wish, sh. So if you look at fish and wish, you only have to change the first letter and you have a new word. Okay? So that's not too hard to remember, I hope. Third word, over, over. And the the digraph we have concentrated on is says okay, over. Another. The digraph is that we worked on. Winner, winner. The digraph is that we worked on. And then we've got fly, where the Y at the end of fly and sky pronounces it as I. Sometimes the Y says E, sometimes the Y says I. So we have to say the word and just think, does it sound right? What if I said flee? There is a word that's flee, but it doesn't have a Y at the end. Frog, frog. The graph we're concentrating on was O. So it's frog, the graph was O, making one sound. And then we've got long, long. And then we've got car, k-a, k-a. So where's the diagram for this one gone? I was telling you at breakfast, so there we are. All right. Now we've got some different words, like I said. Park. The digraph here is also AR. So the AR says park. Start. Another AR word, start. And we'll change it. Money. And the digraph is EY that we were concentrating on. Money and key. They both have the EY in them. And then we've got this. This we were concentrating on the TH at the start of the word. This. Width. Digraph was again TH at the end of the word this time. Width. Then we've got black. That's the color. Black. The digraph was CK. That should still be easy for you, I reckon, because you did very well. Black. Sick. Digraph is K or CK. Into. The graph was I. So the I at the start of this word, the I says it. In the same way, the I in this word, which is spin, the graph I says I. It doesn't say it, so we don't say spin. We say spin. Do not spin around it. Okay? So there are some of the words. You will have some of these on your list. Now let's try breaking them down into their sounds or their phonemes. Fish. F, I, sh. F, I, sh. I counted 3. So the number of phonemes in fish is 3. Same thing, wish. Remember we just changed the first letter to get a new word. Wish. W, I, sh. W, I, sh. And 3 phonemes in that word as well. Car. K, R. K, R. How many? 2. Park. Park. Break it down. P, A, K. P, A, K. How many? 3. Okay. So now we've got money. And I already filled this one in. Money. M, A, N, E. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the EY is counted as 1. 4 phonemes. M, A, N, E. Key. K, E. K, E. So I counted 2. Key. Over. Over altogether. Over. Break it down. O, V, over, over, E. And that is it. Did we put the number in here? No, we didn't. So that's 3. Under, under. Up, n, d, again. Up, n, d, stretch it under. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Under. Oh dear, I hope you are not sick. Sick, sick. And I put CK as the diagram, so it's in the 1 column. So we've got 3 in the word sick. All right, so I want you to fill in Monday's column in your neatest writing, please. And then you can do your rainbow spelling. And have a look at the seesaw and see what else is there for you to do. All right, I will see you on Google Meet in the morning.